How to pay Apollo Group TV with credit card. So as of 2025, if you should be able to pull out any web browser on your end and then just heading directly to apollogroup.tv, and this is going to be their official site. So if you will log in successfully to your account using your username and your password and then just heading directly to any subscriptions you want, and while on you're currently on the payment method tab, there is no specific credit card option that's gonna be visualized or be provided in there. So what you can do is if you have enough fund from your credit card or any cards that you have, the most convenient way of doing this is just by transferring a specific amount of subscription and how much would it cost from Apollo Group TV. Transfer it any e-wallet or any payment method available from Apollo Group TV, as it because the credit card option is still not available as of 2025 on Apollo Group TV. So that's pretty much it. Unfortunately, credit card option is still not yet available on Apollo Group TV, and that's the least that you can do for you to be able to pay with Apollo Group TV with credit card.